Hey y'all, working on a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan 3.6 liter, doing a starter on it, and this bad boy is hard to find, but it is right up here. So you do have to remove this front motor mount. So first step is, okay, you got these two bolts here, 16 millimeter, and you got another 16 here, another 16 here. I've got them loosened so it's a little easier to see them, and one more here. So break these free. I'm not even supporting the engine. These other motor mounts look good, and if you want to be extra cautious, you can put a block of wood and support the motor. Just get a little tension on it before you take it off if it's an older model or something. But it's not necessary for me, so I'm not doing it. But I'll pull this off and show you. Right, so all those bolts are removed. You're literally just gonna sneak it out right here. That's it, bam. Then you got access to your starter right there. All right, so looks like it's just gonna be these two bolts right here, and let's see what size those are. Those are gonna be a 15 millimeter, it looks like. So I'll pull those off and show you what's next. All right, so I got the starter loose. It's kind of a pain. You have to disconnect the power wire first, and then also this wire right here, which is just a clip that I broke. Oops. But normally there's just a tab right here you push in and can slide it off. It's way up there when you're trying to do it. I had no room and I ended up accidentally breaking it. So there's that. But this is just going to be a 13 millimeter. You do have to disconnect those wires before you can maneuver it out. At least I did. So the two 15 millimeter bolts, 1, 2, right here and there. And then you have to get this thing out, you have to slide it back, then you can pull it out. There's that. So we got it out, and we're gonna put it back together in reverse order, and there you go. Hope this helps. Thanks. All right, so I got this new starter in. One thing I will tell you, put this cable on before you put it in the location, and then once you get it in location, then you can put, come on, focus, then you can put in the power wire. Other than that, just put the two bolts back in on this side right here and here. Oh yeah, and these Christmas tree wire holders, I had to pry that one, and there's another one up here I had to take off. And then what I had to use to get the power wire off was a flex head 13 millimeter ratcheting wrench. I needed 15 millimeter socket, 16 millimeter socket, I think a 3-inch extension, and just a ratchet. Obviously if you have electric ratchet, that helps. Pry tool, a couple pairs of pliers, but other than that, pretty straightforward, not too bad, just tight as you can tell. But thanks for watching, guys.